Despite efforts to bring the COVID-19 pandemic under control, the world is expected to reach an accumulative 200 million cases within the next couple of days. Meanwhile, Pfizer and Moderna raised the prices of their vaccines to EU. Hyo-sun with the details.
The global COVID-19 tally is expected to surpass the 200 million mark this week, fueled by the rampant spread of the more contagious Delta variant in many parts of the world. The grim milestone is expected to be reached just days after the WHO chief made such an estimate.
Almost 4 million cases were reported to WHO last week. And on current trends, we expect the total number of cases to pass 200 million within the next 2 weeks. And we know that is an underestimate.
While it took 392 days for the global tally to reach 100 million, since the world's first case was reported in Wuhan on December 31st, 2019, it's expected to take less than 200 days for the tally to hit 200 million. As countries continue to vaccinate their citizens against COVID-19 to try and contain the spread, global vaccine inequity is still a significant issue, with just 3.5% of Africa's entire population receiving a single dose. This is in stark contrast to that of Canada and the U.S., which stand at 71% and 57%, respectively. In related news, Pfizer and Moderna have upped the prices of their COVID-19 vaccines in their latest supply contracts with the European Union. Pfizer raised the price by more than 25% and Moderna by more than 10%. Also in Europe, thousands of people took to the streets of Paris over the weekend to protest the French government's decision to require a vaccine passport for patrons at multi-use facilities like restaurants and bars. German protesters also clashed with police in Berlin over the government's COVID-19 restrictions, leading to several arrests. Police said hundreds of anti-lockdown demonstrators gathered illegally, defying a court order banning all related protests. Hyo-sun, Arirang News.